Wrangler Cherokee NP231 transfer cases have one glaring weak point. Slip yoke on the rear output shaft. Converts transfer case from slip yoke to a fixed yoke, improved off-road durability and performance. Designed for NP231 transfer case on the YJ, TJ, and XJ. After 1996. Earlier models must remove the needle bearings from the stock drive sprockets. Provides everything to modify your transfer case, requires RC extended travel drive shaft, prevents driveline vibration rear output shaft from breaking. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Jeep model NP231 transfer cases have one glaring weak point. They use a slip yoke on the rear output shaft of the transfer case instead of having a fixed yoke and a drive shaft with slip splines. This design works fine on the street, but once you have lifted your Jeep and installed bigger tires on it, the stress on the slip yoke or rear output shaft is often too much. This Heavy Duty Slip Yoke Eliminator kit includes everything to modify your transfer case. This kit does require our extended travel drive shaft, which helps to prevent driveline vibration and the rear output shaft from breaking. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfect on my 1995 Jeep Wrangler YJ 4.0. Get a NP231 transfer case rebuild kit while you're at it. Everything fit perfectly. Worth it if you have a 4-lift or more. Just remember you'll also need a new rear drive shaft, and hey, while you're at it, just fork over the money for a new front drive shaft. I suggest Tom Woods. Rebuild the transfer case, install this SYE kit, then measure for your new drive shaft. Lots of YouTube videos out there. I followed Jeep Solid because he has a 3-part video on rebuilding an NP231. And then a video on installing this SYE.